On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove a 3rd gen Camaro hood, just in case you want to change your hood, take it off the paint, all that good stuff. Now, I ain't going to waste your time with a 10-minute intro, so let's just jump into it. The first thing you want to do is pop your hood. Now, if you ain't got good struts to hold the hood up, you might actually have to use vice grips on the jack itself. Once you get your hood open, you got 2 bolts, one here, one down here, and same on the other side. Depending on how old your car is will depend on your bolts, because somebody might have changed them. They might not be the same size all the way around. So yeah, once you get those, get a buddy to help you, you can lift the hood off the car. Also, you should be able to line your hood back up to the wear points. Once you take it off, you should see like what's been setting over time. Or you can take something and drill a hole or mark it with a marker so you can get it lined back up. Do the same on the back side of the mount so you don't get your body lines all off when you put it back on. But if you install a new hood, you have to line that up anyway. Now, always be sure to be very careful on your windshield, because once you get your bolts out, this hood will fly back and it will bust your windshield. Now, that ain't what happened to this car, but you know, you don't want that to happen to your car if you got a good windshield. So that is how you remove the hood off your 3rd gen Camaro. Now, upcoming videos on this car will be a full over paint job, a windshield install should be on the channel. Tons of content, painting the firewall, changing the AC to a non-AC box. Just content after content for this car. So if you own a 3rd gen Camaro, think about subscribing if you're new here. Appreciate it if you do. And we see you on the next video. As always, if you found it helpful, leave a comment, drop a like. Thanks for watching.